open a JP Morgan bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to open a JP Morgan bank account. So for that case, you just have to open up a browser, and on the web address bar, you need to type in the link that is aim.jpmorgan.com. It's going to take you to the official page. While you're on this page, just press the open an account button from the top right hand side corner. Moving on to the next step, here you have to go ahead and press on open an account one more time. Read the terms and conditions, all of that, and scroll down right to the bottom. And if you're sure about it, then click on next. So as you press the next button, it's going to take you to the other filter where you need to go ahead and enter in your information. Next, you have to begin with the registration process, where you will be asked to provide in your personal information, contact details, your financial, and all of that. So quickly enter in all of that information. Make sure that you provided valid information as well. And then you need to go ahead and submit the information. It's going to take a couple of hours or maybe a day or two in order to completely verify and register your account. So that is how you can open a JP Morgan bank account online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.